Everyone should know this paperclip trick. Take a regular paperclip and bend it slightly to create a small hook. Place it against your wrist and hook one end of the bracelet onto it. This way it will not slip off your hand. Now calmly fasten the clasp. Remove the paperclip and you are done. From now on, putting on a bracelet will no longer be a problem. This way, you'll definitely impress your family and friends. Start by preparing 2 bottles of liquid soap. Choose ones with a soft color, but make sure they're clear enough. Carefully remove all the labels from the bottles. This is an important step, as you'll see in a moment. Now get some small, colorful decorations. The choice is yours, but remember they need to fit through the bottle opening. Open the container and drop in your chosen decorations. Multicolored pieces work best for an eye-catching effect. After adding them, close the bottle and gently shake it so they spread evenly. Thanks to removing the labels beforehand, you'll see the colorful elements floating inside. Place the finished soaps in your bathroom. Their look immediately draws attention. It's a unique decoration that creates a special mood. Anyone who sees it will be pleasantly surprised by your creativity. It's a quick and inexpensive way to add a memorable touch. These soaps also make great small gifts. Place rosemary on candles to reduce stress and improve memory. Place 3 candles in a pan and start heating them. Once the candles begin to melt, use tongs to remove the wicks and set them on paper. Next, take fresh sprigs of rosemary. Toss the rosemary into the pan and heat briefly. Rosemary has antibacterial and antifungal properties. It calms, eases breathing, and enhances focus. You'll also need a small glass jar. Place the rosemary sprigs from the pan in the jar, then pour in the melted wax. Before the wax hardens, insert the wick. Use a toothpick or clip to hold it in place. Once the wax solidifies, remove the toothpick and add a bit more rosemary. Your candle is now ready. Place it somewhere you spend a lot of time. Finally, light it and enjoy the relaxing ambiance. The scent of rosemary boosts memory and focus, making this candle perfect for your office or workspace. This method will make your home smell like a luxury residence. You can make it with things you already have at home. First, get a clean decorative jar. The bigger the better. Measure out 3 cups of regular water and pour it into the jar. These proportions are important. Next, add 2 cups of alcohol. Alcohol has antibacterial properties and helps evaporate excess moisture. Now add a few drops of your favorite essential oil. This gives you a scent that fills the space like in a luxury interior. Choose any essential oil you like. Also add 1 tablespoon of dish soap you have at home. It's great for dissolving grease and dirt. Stir everything thoroughly so the ingredients blend well. Now the most important step. Take an old cotton t-shirt and cut it into smaller pieces. This is a great way to reuse old fabric. Place the ready pieces into the jar and soak them completely in the fragrant mixture. In just a few minutes, you'll have homemade reusable cleaning wipes. They not only disinfect and clean all surfaces, but also leave a scent that feels elegant and fresh. Your home will shine with cleanliness and smell like a luxury residence. Pour coffee into Coca-Cola. This mix works surprisingly well and delivers an unexpected result. Coca-Cola contains phosphoric and carbonic acids, which have remarkable cleaning properties. Instant coffee has natural oils, a strong aroma, and a texture that affects how it blends with other ingredients. Add 1 tablespoon of instant coffee to a bottle of cola. Shake gently to combine, then pour the mixture into a larger bowl. Add another 3 tablespoons of instant coffee. Next, add 2 tablespoons of salt. This ingredient plays an important role too. It acts as a natural abrasive. Prepare some dish soap as well. Dish soap effectively cuts through grease and grime. Add 1 tablespoon to the bowl. Take an empty cola bottle and carefully make a small hole in the cap. Using a funnel, pour the finished mixture back into the bottle. This homemade cleaner is great for washing dishes or scrubbing a dirty sink. Just pour a little onto the surface, scrub with a sponge, and rinse with water. Your dishes will be clean, shiny, and fresh. No need for expensive store-bought detergents. Squeeze lime juice over watermelon. This combo might sound strange, but the result is surprisingly good. Start with fresh watermelon. Add the cut pieces to a blender bowl. Watermelon is refreshing, hydrating, and wonderfully cooling. The next ingredient is beetroot. It adds color and natural sweetness. Beet pairs perfectly with watermelon and enhances the deep ruby color. Add beet slices to the blender. Now it's time for lime juice. The lime adds acidity that balances the sweetness of the watermelon and beet. Blend everything thoroughly. The texture should be smooth, creamy, and liquid. Once well combined, pour it into a glass. This is a recipe for a drink with an intense color and unique taste. It's perfect if you want to feel lighter, boost your energy, or simply take care of your body. Use it at least twice a week to feel the results. I rub this into my hair before every wash, and my hair is strong and shiny as if I had an expensive salon treatment. No more hair loss. This homemade mask is all you need. To prepare it, take 1 ripe avocado. Avocado deeply moisturizes, nourishes, and rebuilds the hair structure. Cut it in half, twist, remove the pit with a knife, score the flesh, and scoop it out with a spoon into a bowl. The next ingredient is olive oil. It regenerates, strengthens the roots, and adds a beautiful shine. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. You can also add a little honey for softness and elasticity. Mash and mix everything until smooth and creamy. Your natural mask is ready. Apply it from roots to ends. Leave it on for 20 minutes. Then wash your hair as usual. The result: hair that's nourished, smooth, shiny, and silky, soft. Just like after a professional salon treatment. With regular use, it becomes stronger, and you won't be picking up strands from the floor or your brush anymore. Place an onion on your neck. My grandmother showed me this, and now I always do it. Take an onion and cut it in half. Onions have strong antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, support circulation, and help open up the airways. Pierce both halves with a fork and place them on a heated pan. Warm them for about a minute to release essential oils that have soothing and decongesting effects. Next, apply a thin layer of petroleum jelly to the center of the onion. This helps retain heat and prevents skin irritation. Now, place the warm onion on your neck, preferably on a sore or tense area. Cover it with a towel to keep the warmth longer. Leave it for 15 minutes and let the natural ingredients do their work. This simple and effective method helps relieve sore throats, reduce coughing, and relax neck muscles. You can use it not only during infections, but also after a long day when you feel neck tension. Natural remedies are often underrated, yet they can work better than many pharmacy treatments.